Acrophobia, the fear of the heights. Cynophobia, the fear of dog. Mysophobia, the fear of germs. Aerophobia, the fear of flying. Menophobia, the fear of being alone. Aquaphobia, the fear of water. Basophobia, the fear of falling. Diphobia, the fear of driving. Achievophobia, the fear of success. Theophobia, the fear of God. Astrophobia, the fear of the thunder, lightning. Homophobia, the fear of blood. Autophobia, the fear of abandonment. Exophobia, the fear of unknown. Globophobia, the fear of the balloons. Androphobia, the fear of men. Phobophobia, the fear of prayer. Philophobia, the fear of love. Emetophobia, the fear of vomiting. Podophobia, the fear of feet. Somniphobia, the fear of sleep. Cynophobia, the fear of women. Apiphobia, the fear of peace. Pyrophobia, the fear of fire. Geleophobia, the fear of shark. Pediphobia, the fear of dolls. Mothephobia, the fear of months. Zoophobia, the fear of animal. Bananaphobia, the fear of bananas. Silliphobia, the fear of food. Phasmophobia, the fear of ghosts. Mosophobia, the fear of mic. Agliophobia, the fear of pain. Tocophobia, the fear of pregnancy. Telephobia, the fear of talking on the phone. Pogonophia, the fear of birds. Cacomophoria, the fear of fat people. Cataphobia, the fear of hair. Technophobia, the fear of technology. Chronophobia, the fear of the future. Erogophobia, the fear of work. Colorophobia, the fear of clowns. Photophobia, the fear of lights. Numerophobia, the fear of numbers. Umbrophobia, the fear of rain. Claustrophobia, the fear of roller coaster. Thalassophobia, the fear of ocean. Taphobia, the fear of being burned alive. Agoraphobia, the fear of open or crowded place. Claustrophobia, the fear of enclosed space.